In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fillable PDF form with a drop-down menu using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're creating forms for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to customize PDF forms can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure the file you choose is the one you want to add the drop-down menu to. Once your document is opened, look at the top of your screen and click on the All Tools tab within the global toolbar. From there, find and click on Prepare a Form. This tool is key to starting the process as it sets up your document for adding interactive fields. Once you activate the Prepare a Form function, Acrobat has a neat feature where it automatically scans your document to identify potential areas that might need form fields. It's a great time saver, but you can always add additional fields or adjust them manually if needed. Our goal here today is to create a drop-down menu, so let's continue. To add your drop-down list, look for the drop-down list icon in the toolbar. It should be relatively easy to spot. Click on it and then place the icon anywhere on your document where you want the drop-down menu to appear. After placing it, you'll want to tweak a few settings to personalize your menu. Right-click on the drop-down list field you've just placed. In the context menu that pops up, select Properties. This will open the Properties panel where you'll make further adjustments. Navigate over to the Options tab, where you can begin customizing the list items. To add a new option to your drop-down list, simply type the desired text in the item field and click Add. You can add as many options as you need depending on what should be available in your drop-down menu. Remember, this is your chance to tailor it to fit the information your form requires. Should you need to remove an option for any reason, select it from the item list and click Delete. You also have additional options including sorting items alphabetically or allowing users to enter custom text directly into the drop-down menu by selecting the appropriate checkboxes. Once you're finished adding and organizing your options, simply close the Properties panel. To see how your drop-down list looks in action, click Preview, located at the bottom left of the screen. This allows you to test how the menu functions and appears within the form. Finally, exit the preview and don't forget to save your work. By doing this, you ensure all your changes are maintained and your new interactive PDF form is ready to be shared or distributed. And that's it. You're well on your way to creating seamless, fillable PDF forms with customized drop-down menus using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Happy form building!